have to find the path to overcome fear in maths. You will get success in that. To overcome fear in maths, you will get success in that.
Hello students, welcome to our channel Fearless Maths class. I am Rumki Chakraborty. Today I am going to explain how to draw the angles with protractor. Now all of you just think why I didn't use the board, because with the protractor in the whiteboard this is too much difficult to draw the angles. That's why I just applied this process, how to draw the angles, acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle with the protractor. Just I explained today. Today I am going to discuss how to draw 90 acute angle. That is, what is the acute angle? Acute angle is the angle measures greater than 0. The angle measured, that is the angle that is A, that is greater than 0 and less than 90. That is called acute angle. That is called acute angle. Here A is denoted as angle. The acute angle is the angle which is greater than 0 degree, less than 90 degree. That is called acute angle. Now I am going to draw the angles with the protractor. In the geometry box, that is called the protractor. Okay. Now I draw here, that is 30 degree. 30 degree is greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. That's why first of all you draw a straight line. Look at all the students, please listen very carefully. Then here, that is this portion, you just match to the starting point, and then just to match the black line with the line which is already you drawn. Okay, then you just observe the inner scale. Here, that is the inner, only inner scale you just observe. When you draw the angle, you just observe inner scale. Where is 30 marks? Here, that is 30. That is 30. Okay, now you just put a point. Then you just draw by the scale the point and the starting point. That is called 30 degree acute angle. You have to draw the arrow. Now you are just right. Here I already place here A, the vertex. That is called the vertex of the angle. You put A here and give the name, that is B and that is C. And you mark here 30 degree. Then angle BAC is equal to 30 degree. Just like this, you have to draw 60 degree. Just like this, you have to draw. Now that is, you first of all you draw the line by the protractor, that is called the protractor, and match this one, this portion. You just matched this portion. Yes, this is, you just matched with the line, and this black line you have to match the line which is marked, and 60 degree you just observe the inner scale. Here is 60, then you put the point, that is 60 degree, and then you just join the point by this point, that is called 60 degree. That's like this process you can draw the angle with the protractor, that is 60 degree. Now here you write BAC is 60 degree. Okay, now I am going to draw 90 degree. Now I am going to explain how to draw 90 degree. That is the angle which is measured 90 degree. That is called right angle. the angle which is measured 90 degree, that is called right angle. Then you just draw the line by the scale or protector you can use, choice is up to you. Then you just place the protector here in this portion. All the students just look at this portion you fix to the starting point, and the black line you just match with the line where you draw the line. Then you just observe here where is 90, that is 90. Then you mark here a point. After that you just join with the protector or scale, anything you can use. This is called 90 degree right angle. Okay, that is called 90 degree right angle. Here, now I am going to explain the obtuse angle. What is obtuse angle? What is obtuse angle? The angle which is greater than 90 degree, less than 180 degree, that is called obtuse angle. Okay, now I just draw the line. You can use scale also, where and then you place this portion to the starting point. Okay, just to match this one, and the line you just going to match here. Then you draw. Now I draw the obtuse angle, just such as an example 120 degree. 120 degree is must be greater than 90 and less than 180. Where all the students just listen very carefully. You have to observe the inner scale. That is called the inner scale, and that is called the outer scale. When you draw the angle, you have to use the inner scale. Then where is 120? Here. You just observe here. Then you place here. After that, you just join. You just join this line. And you have to put arrow. Then you just mark it here. That is 120 degree. Now you write BAC is equal to 120 degree. Now I am going to discuss that is 150 degree. 150 degree obviously greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. That is also be the obtuse angle. Now I just draw the line here and you place the point. I am repeatedly telling you place the point here and matched with the starting point here, and the line you obviously match with the black line, the baseline of the protector. Okay, then in the inner scale, where is 150? Here is 150. Just to mark a point. After that you can join by the scale or protector, anything you can use. I have no problem. Okay, then then you place the arrow here, BAC you marked it, and that is 150 degree. That is called the obtuse angle. Now I am going to explain the straight angle. Going to explain straight angle. What is straight angle? What is straight angle? The angle measure 180 degree, that is called straight angle. Okay, that is the straight line. You please just you draw the straight line, then you place the arrow and here you mark a point, and that is 180 degree. Then you just write the name BAC, then angle BAC is equal to 180 degree. That is called the straight angle. Okay, that's all for today. I think all the students are able to understand what I am telling. Just like these process you apply and then draw the angle. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.